if you're new to MetaQuest 3, you probably don't know this. So you have the menu here, but you might want to move it. And for doing that, you have to grab your controllers and you can press this button over here. You have to aim at a corner of the menu, for example here, and you keep the button pressed. You see what I'm doing? And you can move it wherever you want. And when you decide the new position, you release the button. You can work with this controller or also the other one. It's the same thing. And if you don't want the menu to appear, you have to click on the meta button to hide it. And to make it appear again, you click again on the meta button. Another thing is that you can use this button, this one, to select one window in the menu and drag and drop it in another position. So for example, you can open the browser and you can basically have multiple windows, one next to the other this way. And you can sort them out as you want, basically.